Summer. First day back, and I think they're about to test the fire alarm. Please don't test the fire alarm, guys. I'm so relaxed, enjoying my morning. They do it once a month in my building. Do you guys have that annoying alarm test?
We're conducting a test of the fire alarm system.
They're driving nuts all day, man.
Old people or just the job? Oh dear, what? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. That is brutal.
I know.
Has anyone collapsed from this?
Not yet. I usually give them a heads up. If it's gonna make it a little older, I'll give them a heads up. Like, hey, there'll be some noise coming. Had this one lady drop her cat.
A lady dropped her cat.
She's like, "Come here, honey." I'm like, "You don't want to do that." Oh my God! It's like,
Oh God.
Have a great day.
Good luck, man. Holy shit, that was terrifying. God, what a horrible way to wake people up. Good morning, everyone. That was actually hilarious because usually when they test the alarms, it's just the sound, no one comes. But just the fact that this time they actually like physically, oh my God, that was offensive. That was an offensive sound. Anyway, I'm waiting for the beep. It may never come. I think they're done, or it's gonna start and scare the shit out of me. Still waiting. And I was expecting it to. Oh, fuck. Alright, we're good. We're good. Oh, my goodness. Alright, glad you guys were able to experience that with me. That was... Should I do another one? Alright, let's do another one. No, I know it's gonna be a while because one just went off. I don't want to do another one, guys. Okay. That first one was exhausting. Why am I doing this again? This is for you guys. If this makes at least one person... Don't interrupt me! Okay, it was worth coming back. Alright, love you guys.